girl Lakale, and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so today we're going to be tackling this refrigerator. I am going to redo this refrigerator. I'm going to clean it out. And if you guys hear some noise, unfortunately I am washing, so I do apologize for that. But on the other hand, we are going to be tackling this refrigerator. And I actually purchased some bins, which I am going to show you guys here. I didn't purchase too many bins, but I did purchase some bins. So I want to do this refrigerator. Alright guys, so this is the before. This is before we clean it, organize it, straighten it out, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I am going to take out everything out of the refrigerator. I'm going to set it on the counter. I am going to go through everything, make sure that whatever's old, I want to toss it out, and just go through everything. If this is your first time tuning into one of my videos, hi, my name is Lakale. I am a mother of 2. I enjoy cooking, cleaning, vlogging, just about everything. I hope you guys like this video enough to subscribe to my channel. I also have another channel which is called Kales Kocktails. Make sure after you go to this video, make sure you guys do check out my other channel as well. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so I want you guys to let me know, what do you guys use for your stainless steel appliances? Your girl wants to know, because I just put some soap and water and that was it, and then just dried it off with a paper towel because it was looking cloudy. It still kind of looked cloudy. So you guys let me know, what do you guys use? Do you guys have any recommendations on what you guys should use for the stainless steel? Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash these containers because your girl don't know where they've been. So, so make sure you guys do wash out your containers before you use them, because you are putting fruits or whatever you're going to put in there. I mean, you guys definitely don't know where this stuff comes from. So I'm going to be washing mine with water, soap, and bleach.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better.
Oh my goodness, guys, this came out so freaking pretty. Your girl are loving these containers. I really do love these containers. They are so freaking cute. So if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you give your girl a like, because it's not going to cost you anything. And make sure you guys hit that bell so you guys will not miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yourself.